friends, God bless you and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping back in today. My name is Penny, and on today's video, this is a collab with Miss Antoinette for Antonette Decorating, and her co-host is Miss Jody at Southern Season. And today's collab for the vignette is called Marching into Spring Garden. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, as we're marching into spring, on today's video for my vignette, I am going to be using my white ginger jar. And what I'm going to do with this, guys, and being that we're marching into the spring for the garden, I am going to do a variety of flowers, and I'm going to show you how I put this all together. My vision with this today, friends, is to shop my stash, use what I have, and just bring all my flowers together and just make a variety of flowers, because in a garden we have a variety of flowers. So I want to thank Miss Antoinette for putting this together. I hope y'all enjoy this. I apologize because I'm not sure all the names of the flowers, but I think these are yellow carnations, if I'm not mistaken. And I bought these from Walmart. And I'm just going to put this together. And I love different type of flowers. I'm telling you, my mom, she was a green thumb. She had so many different type of flowers. But guys, I'm just not a gardener for flowers. I just plant the easy things. So even in this today, in my garden, as it come together, it's going to be so easy to do. So I just added just a little white, because you know, for the spring, we have to have that fresh, pure white flowers. Here I'm going to add a little greenery, and I want to take you along with this just in case you want to make you a variety of spring flowers bouquet. And you can use live flowers as well as the faux flowers, but one thing about the faux flowers, they do last. These are my pink roses, and all of these flowers came from Walmart. Friends, spring is the time for beautiful flowers. And I also added my little lilies, guys. They're a little pink, a little blue, a little pastel orange. And tell me what you think about this. So this is how my spring garden is coming all together. Here I'm going to add my little stand I bought for Home Goods, and all of this I already has. So thank God for a budget-friendly spring garden vignette. Here I'm going to add my little bunny rabbit. You know, spring bring in the spring decor and some more greenery flowers. And guys, I'm telling you, a lot of this I used last year when I did my spring wreath on my front door. So I hope that you like this. So tell me what you think about the variety of flowers. Tell me if you like this. Now friends, I added my spring pastel sign and I DIY'd this, and it reads spring. A lovely reminder of how beautiful change can truly be. So guys, we're coming into the season of change of spring. So this is my DIY sign I made. I did the pastel color and I made this with my circuit machine. So I'm learning how to do different things. So I hope you like this on today. And if you're new, guys, thank you so much for stopping in, and I hope that you find some inspiration and that you join my channel. I truly appreciate everyone. Thank you so much, all of my faithful friends. Guys, I truly appreciate you today for your love and support and comment and constantly coming back and watching our videos. Guys, each month, Miss Antoinette is doing her vignettes, so don't forget to come back in the first part of the month, guys, and join us. And just to remind everyone, we have a collab coming up with Melissa from Buckeye Reef Girls and Things called Silly Rabbit, Easter is for Jesus. So we would love you to join us on March the 7th. The information is in my community tab. Friends, this is my final look, so tell me what you think. I added my gold candle holder and a candle in the back, and I added a candle in the front. It's like a teal green color, or close to teal turquoise color. But guys, I wanted to represent the change from the winter season until our spring with beautiful colors. So please tell me what you think about this. I hope you enjoyed it. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. And don't forget to go back and watch the playlist. Remember, guys, you're too blessed to be stressed. Know that God loves you, and I'll see you on my next video. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day from Penny. Bye-bye.